Welcome to our exploration of management theories. Understanding these theories is crucial for effective management in any organization. In this video, we'll cover classical management theory, human relations theory, and contingency theory. These theories provide a framework to structure and manage organizations more efficiently. Mastering these principles can help managers improve productivity, foster better workplace relationships, and adapt to various business situations. Buckle up as we delve into these foundational concepts and discover how they can transform any organization. Let's embark on this journey and uncover the insights behind these management theories. Welcome to our deep dive into classical management theory, a foundational pillar of modern management. Developed in the early 20th century, this theory revolutionized how organizations approached efficiency and productivity, emerging from the demands of the Industrial Revolution to manage vast workforces and complex processes. Central to classical management theory are its key principles: division of labor, hierarchical structure, and a clear chain of command. Division of labor breaks tasks into simpler components for specialized staff, enhancing productivity and expertise. A hierarchical structure ensures everyone knows their role and reporting lines, creating an organized work environment. A clear chain of command facilitates smooth communication and decision-making, maximizing efficiency and minimizing redundancy. Despite its age, the principles of classical management theory remain relevant. Modern businesses still use its guidelines for organizational design and operational efficiency. Hierarchical structures ensure clear communication and accountability, while task specialization is evident in contemporary practices. This theory addressed early industrial inefficiencies, laying the groundwork for subsequent management theories. Stay tuned as we delve into the specific challenges it tackled and the solutions it provided for an era of burgeoning industrialization. In the early industrial era, inefficiency and lack of structure plagued many organizations. Factories were chaotic, and productivity suffered due to disorganized practices, creating a need for a structured management approach. Enter classical management theory, which tackled these challenges head-on. By introducing systematic management practices, it turned chaos into order, emphasizing division of labor, hierarchical structures, and clear chains of command helped streamline operations. This approach improved productivity and laid the groundwork for modern management principles. These foundational ideas set the stage for subsequent theories that continue to shape our understanding of effective management today. As we continue our journey through management theories, let's explore human relations theory, which emerged as a response to the limitations of classical management theory. Instead of focusing solely on efficiency, human relations theory emphasizes employee well-being. Pioneered by Elton Mayo in the early 20th century, this theory highlights the importance of social factors and interpersonal relationships within the workplace. Mayo's Hawthorne studies revealed that employees are motivated not just by monetary rewards, but also by social interactions and recognition. Human relations theory introduced the idea that a supportive and collaborative work environment leads to increased job satisfaction and higher productivity. Understanding and addressing both emotional and social employee needs improved workforce morale and organizational success. Mayo championed the view that workers are human beings with feelings, motivations, and a need for social connection, significantly impacting modern management practices that prioritize a positive workplace culture. This shift to a more humane approach emphasized empathetic, communicative leaders attentive to team well-being. Organizations in adopting these principles found happier, more connected employees were also more loyal and productive. Next, we'll delve into contingency theory and its adaptive approach to managing diverse organizational situations. In the world of management, employee dissatisfaction and lack of motivation were pressing issues for years. Human relations theory tackled these challenges by shifting focus to workplace morale and fostering better relationships among employees. Emphasizing the social aspects of work aimed to create a more engaged and motivated workforce. When employees feel valued, their satisfaction and dedication increase. This theory underscores treating employees as individuals with unique needs and aspirations, not just cogs in a machine. These principles boost morale and lead to higher productivity and a more harmonious work environment. Welcome to contingency theory, the third critical management theory we will explore. Unlike earlier theories, contingency theory posits that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to management. The best management style depends on the specific situation and context, requiring adaptive thinking. Imagine this: a highly structured, hierarchical approach may be excellent for a stable, well-established company. However, for a startup facing rapidly changing market demands, a more flexible management style could be essential. Contingency theory encourages managers to continuously assess their environment and adjust strategies accordingly. For example, a team handling a crisis might need directive leadership for clear instructions and swift action, while a creative project team might benefit from a participative approach, valuing everyone's ideas. This theory underscores the importance of flexibility and adaptability in management practices, teaching us that rigid adherence to a single style can lead to inefficiencies. In essence, contingency theory champions adaptability and responsiveness. Effective management involves finding the right balance to achieve the best outcomes in each unique context. We'll explore real-world applications of contingency theory, showing how adaptability plays a pivotal role in modern management. Stay tuned to see how this flexible approach addresses diverse organizational challenges. Rigid management practices often struggle in today's dynamic business environments. Contingency theory advocates for a flexible, adaptive approach to management, recognizing that no single style fits all situations. It empowers leaders to evaluate their circumstances and adapt strategies accordingly, ensuring organizations respond effectively to change and remain competitive. Emphasizing flexibility and adaptability, contingency theory addresses the shortcomings of traditional practices, paving the way for more resilient organizations. Understanding these nuances can enhance your management effectiveness in the ever-evolving business landscape. Each management theory brings its own strengths and weaknesses. Classical management theory emphasizes efficiency and productivity, suited for structured environments. Human relations theory focuses on employee well-being, ideal where morale is crucial. Contingency theory stands out for its adaptability in dynamic scenarios. Understanding these theories helps managers select the most effective approach. Classical theory boosts efficiency but may overlook employee satisfaction. Human relations theory drives engagement but may struggle with standardizing procedures. Contingency theory's flexibility is its strength, but can be less straightforward to implement. Effective managers evaluate their needs and adapt their style accordingly. We'll see how these theories come to life through real-world case studies. Let's delve into real-world applications of these management theories, examining case studies and success stories that illustrate their impact on modern practices. Classical management theory has driven efficiency in large operations, while human relations theory has fostered better workplace environments. Contingency theory has enabled organizations to remain adaptable in a rapidly changing landscape. These practical applications demonstrate the power of understanding and applying management theories. Reflect on how these insights can be applied in your own management journey. These theories are not just academic concepts, they are powerful tools for real change and success. Next, we'll summarize key points and discuss the best approaches for different scenarios. In conclusion, mastering these management theories can significantly enhance your management capabilities. From the efficiency of classical management theory, the human-centric focus of human relations theory, to the adaptability of contingency theory, each provides valuable insights. Often, the best approach is to integrate elements from all three, depending on the scenario. By applying these principles thoughtfully, you can navigate complex management challenges more effectively. Remember, the true power of these theories lies in their practical application. Utilize these insights to elevate your management practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Now it's your turn to make a difference by putting these theories into action.